DSS, especially Buncombe County, is cutting edge.
The best of the best.
Exhibit caring attitude.
The desire to serve the citizens of Buncombe County and to do that with compassion and integrity.
Hi, I'm Andy Stone, and I'm the Assistant County Manager for Human Services in Buncombe County. In our county, Human Services includes several agencies. It includes Child Care Services, includes the Health Center, Mental Health, Social Services, Parks and Recreation, and Workforce Development. In the Human Service team, we work together to achieve several results. The first of those is we work to contribute to a thriving and healthy community. We also work to provide seamless, aligned services that are easy for our citizens to access. Because of the growing demand for our services, we work every day for innovative, new, and creative ways to deliver services that expand access, allow us to touch more citizens and more lives. We also work toward transparency and accountability in government, being responsible to the citizens we serve, to the taxpayers who fund our services, and to the community at large. We are a public servant and we have a public role. Many people choose public service because they feel called to contribute to their community, to try to impact the health and well-being of their community.
In 1973, I began social work straight out of school in eastern rural North Carolina. My car was often loaded with government cheese, tubs of peanut butter, and bags of coal. It was good old-fashioned social work, and we did whatever we could to meet the needs of vulnerable children and adults. Here in Buncombe County, we still have that same passion for helping folks in crisis.
The focus of our program is in following the health and development of those children to ensure that they have healthy outcomes so that hopefully one day they will grow into young adults living in Buncombe County and be a contributing member of our community. It gives me an opportunity to work with individuals in our community to help them to access needed services.
Many years ago, I thought what a wonderful thing it would be to help someone step out of a distressed situation and help them seek a future, opening the door, and help them also to have faith and confidence in themselves. And that's why I work in Human Services.
Well, I work at Human Services because of their the values that they uphold, and basically it is in alignment with my personal core values. Being in administration for health, I am responsible for interacting with many people on various levels, where it be our internal customers, which are our staff, or whether it be our external customers, which are those people that are coming for care in whatever role. And it is my total responsibility, I feel, to honor the values of the Health and Human Services Department.
I do outreach and training for foster parents. One of the core philosophies that we use working with families is nothing about them without them. We really feel that families need to have a say in how their lives are going to be changed by our involvement with them and what direction they want this to take. And that goes in terms of protecting their children or offering them services. Including the families is extremely important to all of us, and as staff we are also included by the agency, so it is a systemic value system that we all feel working here.
With our clients, I think that they look at it like, we're getting the best of the best. Working at Department of Social Services, they know that they're going to get the top quality social worker / human service person working with them, and they know that they're going to get quality help and quality service with the backing of Department of Social Services.
To see the accomplishment of JobLink's clients. They go through our orientation, our system, we follow with them, and even to the point of completion into a job situation or training.
It's an avenue to reach the largest number of people who need help, who need services, and these are definitely school-aged children. Well, I think the values are well stated and they're made prominent in our daily activities. The desire to serve the citizens of Buncombe County and to do that with compassion and integrity.
The thing about DSS is the support that we get. We're helping people, but we are also helped as employees. Another thing I really like about working at Buncombe County DSS is all the collaborations that we have. It's not just DSS in our building on Cox Avenue. I'm standing right here at one of our collaborative partners at Johnston Elementary. So we have Johnston Elementary, we have Goodwill, we have many other contracts that we have to provide services in the community for our citizens.
As an interpreter, I think the values of the health department is to get the relationship between the patient and the doctors. You have to break the ice between the two of them. And we have to respect their patients' cultures and also beliefs.
I think what it means to me, first of all, is, being able to go out in the community and represent DSS and have, that relationship with the community and also with our clients.
Buncombe County Child Care Services realizes that child care impacts every single aspect of our community. Children, families, neighbors, friends, the community at large, and we are able to connect families with high quality care through a cadre of professionals that not only work with parents in finding child care, but also in supporting high quality care and helping parents to know what it is that this high quality looks like. We also assist them in being able to afford this high quality care. So making things better for children and families and the community are what we are all about, and it is a great feeling to be a part of that effort.
I do feel proud of what we do with the community.
It becomes not only the county DSS, but it's my DSS.
JobLink is a family.
We have an acronym called SURF. And that stands for showing pride in what we do and to exhibit responsibility and to exhibit caring attitude, to respect each other, to value honesty, and to exercise responsibility. This is how we do what we do so well.
It's a good time to be a public health nurse here.